Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to Aayu Pathshala. And first of all, I would like to apologize for the mistakes I have done in the previous question paper analysis, in which there are 5 to 6 questions in which I have mistakenly marked the wrong options as the correct answer. So unnecessarily, I will not be discussing that thing again because that would make the video a bit longer. So already I have been watching the comment section and I have seen that most of you are already aware that what would be the correct options for that particular questions. So we are having the cutoff category wise as well as the total list of the candidate that appeared in the examination held in October 2024, that is previous year. So there were total around 1926 candidate which appeared, and remember here we have 120 questions that were asked. And we have seen that the if you see for general we have almost 124 marks as the cutoff, and for SC it is 89 marks, and ST it is 73 marks, and EWS it is 105.83 marks. So two things that has to be noted over here. I will not be discussing about the interview and the final cutoff because that will automatically follow. So see, in the previous years we have 120 questions, and each questions were around 2.5 marks. So in 120 minutes, even if you attempt most average of the student have attempted 60 to 70 questions. If you take an average of 65 question, so or 64 question, or say around 60 to 70 question, that means ki around on attempting 60 questions they are like attempting 150 marks questions. But this year in the same time interval they have attempted same number of questions, so the total attempt in mark is not 150 but 180, because there were only 100 questions, 3 questions, 3 marks each question. So obviously you see attempting same number of question, and comparison to previous year we are actually attempting more marks. So here also if we see the comparison, we will obviously be predicting that the cutoff would be higher this time. Also friends, I have filed an RTI to get the actual details of how many candidates were there, how many SC candidate, how many ST candidate, how many OBC or EWS candidate. But I think like they would not reply me around, I've been waiting for 10 days, it has been 10 days now. So another 10-20 days it would take. So by the time I think result itself would be declared. So I thought that let us now make a video. We have also available around 240 to 260 student surveys data. Okay, how much scores they are getting, and based on that, suppose if we assume that like 10% of the datas are fake, because somebody is claiming that they are getting 240 marks as well. Somebody has answered that they are getting almost 260 marks. So I like this is like I cannot say that this is true or could be false also, but these are doubtful factors, doubtful numbers which are also taken into consideration, but that would be around 10%. So what we have figured out that this year the cutoff would be for general. See, for general we will be predicting, because for other categories it would depend that how many candidates are basically appearing. Okay, like if we had the actual data of how many candidates in each category like SC, ST and OBC have appeared, or EWS has appeared, then there could be like you can easily predict, but it depends how many candidates are there actually that have appeared for the examination, then only category wise cutoff could be made. So for general I would say the cutoff would be around, say 135 plus. See, most of you would not be agreeing with me, because it seems to be cutoff that is a bit higher at compared to like 123. But you also see that the marks per question is also higher this time, and it would be around like 135, say 139, around this much. Anyone getting in this range, I think should be able to clear for the interview. And for those who are not able, like those who are not able to there is also a solution for them also. So those who are getting like less than 135, okay, so like I could not say that they would not be like selected for the interview. You see, you are already aware that there are a limited number of seats, so there are chances. But see, if you are below 132 or like one, you are around 134, see, plus minus 2 you can take. It could be like 133 to 137. See, I have predicted that like it is not an like a random guess based on the empirical data. I'm telling you, it is around 135 to 139, which I am guessing that we have made out around based on the survey of the marks that we have obtained so far. Also, like there could be a plus minus 2 on the upper bound as well as the lower bound. So if you are in the range 133 to 137, you have chances. So what about those students who did not make up to 133? For them, do not worry. What you need to do, arrange what you have done this time. You have all the notes with you. You have all the like software material that you have gathered. Arrange them, keep it together, okay, and have patience. I think within 2 to 3 months of completion of this process, like after the interview, again there will be like vacancies for DCIO. And in 2026 also DCIO vacancy would be coming. So do not like get yourself totally detached. Those who are willing to join this organization, keep in touch, and once notification is out, you start preparation. Okay, you have already gathered the material this time. Keep that in a safe place, okay, so that the next time when notification is out, you are able to actually prepare those things which you already have made it like completed it this time. So only the remaining topic you need to cover in the next time. So this is what we have figured out. Around 135 to 139 is what we have guessed.